Sleep is essential for good health. In fact, we need sleep to survive, just like we need food and water. So, it's no wonder we spend about one third of our lives sleeping. Many biological processes happen during sleep. The brain stores new information and gets rid of toxic waste. Nerve cells communicate and reorganize, which supports healthy brain function. The body repairs cells, restores energy, and releases molecules like hormones and proteins. According to the energy conservation theory, we need sleep to conserve energy. Sleeping allows us to reduce our caloric needs by spending part of our time functioning at a lower metabolism. Another theory, called the restorative theory, says the body needs sleep to restore itself. This is supported by many important processes that happen during sleep, including muscle repair, protein synthesis, and the tissue growth. Sleep affects many aspects of brain function, including learning, memory, creativity, decision making, focus, and concentration. Sleep is necessary for emotional health. During sleep, brain activity increases in areas that regulate emotion, thereby supporting healthy brain function and emotional stability. Lack of sleep is associated with risk factors for heart diseases, including high blood pressure, increased inflammation, elevated cortisol levels, weight gain, and insulin resistance. What happens when you sleep? Your body cycles through 4 stages of sleep. This cycle occurs multiple times throughout the night for different length of time, varying from 70 to 120 minutes. How much sleep do you need? The recommended amount of sleep depends on your age. It also varies from person to person. Why do we sleep? While we may not often think about why we sleep, most of us acknowledge at some level that sleep makes us feel better. We feel more alert, more energetic, happier, and better able to function following a good night of sleep. What happens if you don't get enough sleep? Without enough sleep, your body has a hard time functioning properly. Lack of sleep is also associated with an increased risk of injury for both adults and children. Driver drowsiness, for example, can contribute to serious car accidents and even death. In older adults, poor sleep is also associated with an increased risk of falls and broken bones. Specific consequences of sleep deprivation can include weight gain, fatigue, poor concentration, poor focus, depression, mood changes, and anxiety. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, then please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get the latest updates.